This is a 10-minute morning yoga flow to relieve tension and stiffness. Hi, my name is Annie and welcome to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. I'll be demonstrating a gentle morning flow to start your day. Get your mat ready and join me. Let's start in cross-legged position. Palms open, close your eyes. With your breathing, gently neck circles, clockwise or counterclockwise to warm up your neck muscles, relieving any stiffness and tightness. With your breath work, feel any ticks and clicks. Gently lower your hands to your side. Tilt your head in one side to stretch the side of your neck muscles, pulling all the way to the side of your shoulder. Left and right. Hold it for a few deep breaths as you inhale and exhale. Now gently lean on one side, lift the opposite arm as you overhead reach on one side. Left and right, stretching any stiffness from your ribs all the way down to your hips. Now gently do a mermaid position with one leg behind you and one in front of you near your hip groin area. Palms up, looking up gently, stretching your arms out to the side, and slowly lean on one side and overhead stretch left and right. Feeling the stretch all the way down to your hips, ribs, and shoulders. And your arms again level to your shoulders, palms up. As we slowly turn on one side, I'm turning to the right, away from my feet. Turning my neck as well to stretch further, looking behind my shoulder. And slowly go back to the other side, towards my feet area, feeling a lovely stretch. Inhale and exhale. Lower your arm on one side, extend the opposite leg, and lean on your elbow as you overhead stretch for gentle ribs opening, and hold it in that position. As you exhale, slowly reach for your extended knee and foot, both arms, single leg forward fold. Inhale and exhale. Let's go back again on your elbow, on your right side, overhead reach with your left arm. As you inhale and exhale, reaching on your foot again, and slowly trunk twist to the right. Place your left hand on the top of your left knee and turn gently with your head further looking back behind your shoulder. Now slowly bend your left knee, scoop up your left hand behind your knee to a single forward fold with your knee bent, and you can slowly rest your head on your knee. Slowly place your right hand behind you to switch up to the other side of mermaid position. Palms up, looking up gently, extending your elbows, reaching back, and trunk rotation. I'm turning to the left and gently to the right. Place your left hand on the mat, overhead reach with your right hand to stretch your right side, and switch it up to the other side, placing your right hand on the mat to overhead stretch on your left. Inhale and exhale, palms up again for gentle trunk rotation to the left, elbows extended. And twist to the other side with your breathing. As we go back to the center, lower your one hand, extending the right knee this time as you slowly reach down to your right knee for single leg forward fold. 2 more deep breaths in. Exhale. Last one. As you exhale, lean on your left side, bend your elbow, gently overhead reach with your right arm to stretch your right side of your ribs all the way to your shoulder. Inhale and exhale. Now gently bend your right knee, scoop up your right hand underneath your leg to hold it well as you lean forward for a forward fold with your knee bent. Feel the lovely stretch on your glutes all the way to your shoulders and neck. Inhale and exhale. Slowly let go of your leg. Place your hands on the mat, hands and knees position. Hands level to your shoulders, knees to your hips for a gentle cat and camel stretch. As you round your shoulder for an angry cat and scoop it down to a camel. Inhale and exhale. Round and scoop down for a camel stretch. As you arch your back, slowly open your knees apart for a frog pose at the edge of the mat as you slowly lower your hips down to the mat and hold that in 2 deep breaths. As you exhale, let's lift your right hand overhead to your left side for a trunk twist in a frog position. Now slowly lean to the other side. Lift the opposite arm to stretch left over right. Now slowly place your hands beside you to press up in a sitting position and do a gentle cat and camel stretch in kneeling, half kneeling position. As you inhale, round your shoulder and exhale out. Slowly go down in a rabbit pose. Hands clasped together. Lower your head on your forearm to stretch down. As you slowly go back to a hands and knees position, bend the right knee. Place your right foot in front of your left hip groin area to extend your left knee. Lower yourself down as you press up to stretch your hip flexors. And as you exhale, slowly lower your chest down to the mat for a forward fold stretch. And feel a deep stretch on your right glutes. Extending your arm forward for a deeper stretch. Letting go all the stiffness away. Gentle trunk twist, lifting your right arm over your left, as well as your left over your right for a nice side to side stretch. As you inhale, slowly press up again for one last back extension stretch, pushing up as much as you can, and gently switch it up to the other side with your left knee bent, left foot near your right hip groin area, extending your right knee as you slowly lower your chest down. Gentle trunk twist and side to side for a beautiful morning yoga flow. One more deep breath in. As you exhale, release and slowly get up and press up for one last back extension stretch, looking up, extending your neck as well to finish this program. Let's go back to sitting position, cross-legged. Namaste. You can also follow me on my other social media. If you have any questions, suggestions, or concerns, direct message me or leave a comment down below. Please like and share this video. If you find value on my channel, please subscribe and ring the bell.